Easy English podcast. Let's start, guys.
Hello, guys. If you are preparing for the IELTS speaking test and you still don't know exactly what happens inside the exam, this video will clear everything for you.
Because IELTS speaking is not just English. It is confidence, fluency, and how naturally you can express your ideas under pressure.
Many students know English, but they lose marks because they don't understand the speaking format and timing.
So today, we will break IELTS speaking into simple parts, what each part is, how it is done, and how much time you actually get.
IELTS Speaking Structure Overview. IELTS Speaking Test has 3 main parts.
And all 3 parts are taken in one face-to-face interview with the examiner.
Total speaking time is around 11 to 14 minutes.
Let's understand each part step by step.
Part 1. Introduction and Interview. Part 1 is like a warm-up round.
It lasts around 4 to 5 minutes.
In this part, examiner asks simple questions about your life.
For example, your hometown, studies, hobbies, daily routine.
You should answer in 2 to 3 sentences. Not too long, not too short.
The goal is natural speaking, not perfect English.
Part 2. Cuecard, long speaking. Now comes the most important part, Part 2.
This is called the cue card section.
You will get a topic card and 1 minute to prepare.
Then you must speak for 1 to 2 minutes continuously.
You will get a pencil and paper to make short notes.
Your answer should follow structure: introduction, main points, example, conclusion.
The key is don't stop speaking during those 2 minutes.
Even small pauses are okay, but silence is not.
Part 3. Discussion round. Now the final and most advanced part, Part 3.
This is a deeper discussion with the examiner.
It lasts around 4 to 5 minutes.
Questions are more abstract, like education, society, technology, future trends.
Here, you must give opinions, reasons, and examples.
For example, in my opinion, technology has improved education because...
This is where your thinking and fluency are tested deeply.
Real-time strategy. Now, remember this simple strategy for IELTS speaking.
Part 1. Short and natural answers, 4 to 5 minutes.
Part 2. Long, continuous speaking, 1 to 2 minutes.
Part 3. Detailed opinions and discussion, 4 to 5 minutes.
Don't memorize answers. Focus on structure and flow.
Because examiner is checking fluency, not memorization.
So now you understand IELTS speaking completely.
3 parts, clear timing, and smart strategy.
And remember,
IELTS speaking is not about perfect English. It is about confident communication.